Hi everybody, David Dilling from Markzware. On behalf of the entire team, we're very happy to bring to you Q2ID for Windows. Actually, Q2ID has now been officially phased out. The new product is called QXPMarkz SE. QXPMarkz SE is similar to its sister product, QXPMarkz, on the Macintosh side. QXPMarkz works on the macOS and offers full preview and file information and conversion options. QXPMarkz SE, only for Windows 10 or 11, offers you a simpler version, yet just as effective in converting, which is why most of you are here. You can convert your QuarkXPress documents to InDesign with a click, just like always. But there's more. Now we offer QuarkXPress to IDML. That's very handy because some systems use IDML or workflows want IDML, not just an InDesign file. We also allow QuarkXPress to Affinity Publisher now in the Windows version of QXPMarkz SE. That is very handy. Many Quark users are going to Affinity Publisher just for the cost savings alone. And you can even use QXPMarkz to downsave your Quark file to a lower version. I must note that it'll only work in QuarkXPress 2017 or higher. But very handy. There's many people using a slightly older version of Quark that can't open the latest version of QuarkXPress, now 2022. So that's QXPMarkz SE. There's a lot more over on our webpage on markzware.com. It's simple to use, it's effective, the same great quality conversion you had with Q2ID, but only now much more with QXPMarkz SE. Check it out today over on Markzware. There's two separate web pages, one for QXPMarkz SE for Windows 10 or 11, and it will work in all the latest versions of InDesign and with all the latest versions of QuarkXPress, and all right down to lower versions as well. And there's a separate page for the QXPMarkz for macOS. So two separate web pages. You'll find them over on markzware.com. We look forward to servicing your order today. If you have any questions, cruising over to our support form, fill out a ticket. We'll be happy to help you out. Existing customers who have a subscription can also fill out a ticket here, support ticket, fill in all your information, and we can set you up with the Windows version if you need it for your license ID. It must be a valid ID, and it must be a subscription that's active. For perpetual versions, there will be upgrades available to the new XSE version. If you think there's an exception for you, fill out the support form, give us all the order details and information, and we'll try to help you out. All right, everybody, David Dilling from Markzware wishing you a fantastic day.